pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Boxycharm came. I'm excited, but the lady cursed at me. You'll hear about it in another video. Guess what, my loves? You guys know I already did a look with that bakery palette. Let me say hello. Hi, I'm Karen. If you're new here, hello. Don't forget to give me a like or say hello in the comments, or both. I would appreciate it. If you're new, mwah, I've missed you. So we're uploading. Look at what we got. Luxy brushes. Oh, okay, yes. And what did I say if I got this palette? Because I've already got it. I bought it. I'm going to do a giveaway. So, yeah. All right, let's see what variation I got. 30. Got variation 30. Candy Shop. We already know what this baby looks like. Where's mine? Let me show you how well used she is. You see that? It was a $38 palette. So since I have mine, I bought mine, I will give this one away. And let's just make sure she looks good. She's nothing wrong with her, shall we? Okay. Whoop, she's perfect. Okay. So now I gotta check the dose of colors to see. It is a revolving door around here today. Okay, so I was getting ready to get into dose of colors because you know I bought that too. And I got medium tan. What shade is this? It's medium tan. I already have 2 of those. I don't need another one. So guess what? Medium tan going along with the palette in the giveaway. Now we have Luxy brushes. Now the dose of colors, it was $24 actually, that concealer, and I love it. Here's mine. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love Luxy brushes. They're expensive. I've been wanting them for a long time. Oh, my dog, I left my dog outside. Oh my gosh, what are these worth? $40. Love. Oh, yay. This one here reminds me of the Lavish brush. Okay. So we got a spoolie. Then we've got a shader, an angled blender, and another blender. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm keeping those. I love me some brushes. Now I might be able to go another day without washing my brushes. We'll see. Okay, so far, the palette was $38. The dose of colors is $24. And this is $40 value. And then we've got 2 products left. Okay. We have the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo. Ooh. Let me see. Look at the packaging. My dog barks. You guys, she's been wanting the lip liners. That's creamy. But why is it a duo? What's here? Be Peachy? Oh, it's like a little pencil sharpener thing. Wait a minute. The Draw lip liners are super pigmented. The Draw smoothie and can be used to line the lips or fill in them completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen. Okay, so it's a duo, but it's really just a liner and then a sharpener. All right. That works for me, and it has a value of $16. So, okay, I'm excited about that. That works. The last item we have is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capachu Lip Butter. Yeah, say that twice. All right, let me see. It has a $20 value. Aw, it's cute. Wait a minute. Which way does it go? Ooh. It's a pretty color. It would go perfect with the colors from the palette. Okay, I'm liking. I don't know. I guess I'll swatch her. Why not? Does the lip... This is a joke. It's just the lip butter. It's not even a lipstick. There's no color. Nothing comes off of it. Okay. I was wrong. Alrighty. So I'm keeping the brushes. I am keeping the liner. I'm keeping the balm that I thought was actually a color and it's not. Good job, Karen. I will put the total value of the box listed in this video, and then we're definitely doing a giveaway on that palette, so you guys are ready for it, right? You got to be 18 years or older. I don't care where you live. You could be in China. If you want to enter, that is fine. I'm totally okay with that. And the video, when it uploads, that's the time the giveaway will start. It will be for the Dose of Colors concealer and the Beauty in the Bakery palette, or Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. And those two items it will be. Then in the description box below will be the end date for the giveaway. So you definitely want to get in there and comment, enter me, like this video, share it out if you can, but that's never a requirement. And I just thank you so much for joining me. Good luck, guys. I hope you win. I will talk to you guys real soon in another video. Bye.